Hello friends and welcome to the channel. This is Mridamsa and you're watching Multi YouTuber. Today is Saturday and as you all know, it's our time to know what has been happening in the world of tech. It's time for tech news, so without any delay, let's get into the video. The first update comes from Apple. Since now Apple iPhone 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max and iPad Pros have LiDAR detectors in them, Apple has now launched a new feature known as people detection. So the people who have problems with their vision, they can benefit from this feature as it allows them to have a sense of their surrounding. Using the LiDAR sensor they can know through their smartphone that how far people are or what is happening in their surrounding, it's just a light sensor, so it senses the depth and things like that. So it can be really handy for people with vision problems, but the overall things comes to the implementation and how the users react to it, how the users of this feature react to it. So definitely waiting for the reviews of this, but in my opinion it's a really handy feature to have for the people with defects in vision. This could be really helpful. So another update again happens to be from Apple. So the Apple AirPods Pro is now celebrating its 1-year anniversary, and Apple has now decided to extend the warranty by 1 more year because it's trying to replace and repair the Apple AirPods Pro who have been facing problems like there's a lot of static, a lot of noise going on during calls and while listening music, and in some AirPods Pro the noise cancellation does not work very well. So Apple is replacing and repairing these manufacturing defects. So if you own one the Apple AirPods Pro, then definitely if you are facing this problem, just go ahead and use this opportunity to get the right deal. So yeah, definitely it's a great news. It's a great step by Apple to ensure the best experience for their customers, and you have to give it for that to Apple. So yeah, definitely great. So if you own one and if you are facing problems, you know what to do. So another update happens to be from Apple again. So Apple has now launched AppleOne. It's a bundle subscription service for all the Apple services like the Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, Apple Arcade and iCloud, and then Apple News Plus, Apple Fitness Plus, which is gonna be launched this year. So these all services combine into one, and you need to pay only one subscription fees. You don't need to pay individually. So that makes a very good environment for the users, because users don't need to pay now individually for each and every service. They can just choose their bundle, their AppleOne bundle, and they can enjoy all these services with one subscription fees. So that makes things easier for the users, and definitely, so on your screen you can see the different plans that are available for the AppleOne. And what do you think about this? Do let me know in the comments below. So another update happens to be about the smartphone world. So as we all know, Huawei was holding the #1 smartphone selling company because its demand in China skyrocketed and it gained the #1 smartphone selling company's position. But now Samsung has passed Huawei and has gained its position back as the #1 smartphone selling brand, and Huawei is now in the #2 position, and on the 3rd position it was Apple, but MI has passed Apple and is now in the 3rd position. So this shows that people are moving to other brands other than Apple, and are moving to other softwares rather than iOS. So this creates a competition between these brands, these companies, and the benefit is indirectly towards the users, because these companies will try to come up with better innovation, better technology, better things, better hardware at better prices, because that's a key factor as well. And the indirect benefit will be to the users, and that's what I love about this competition. So that's it for today's episode of Tech News. I hope you liked today's episode. If you did, do leave a like, and if you are new to the channel and love the bizarre world of tech, please subscribe and press that bell icon so every time I upload a new video you get notified. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.